Want to unlock the power of Cinc, but Bangla is your first language? Let's dive into how Cinc offers a better user experience for Bangla-speaking users. First, you'll want to access the settings, usually found by clicking an icon in the corner or on your profile page. Next, look for the language settings option. This section might be labeled language, display, or preferences. The appearance differs from platform to platform, but the key is finding the language adjustment. Inside the language settings, you'll likely see a drop-down menu or a list of available languages. Scroll through the options until you see Bangla or A3/4, A², Select it by clicking on it or choosing it from the list. Now, observe the magic. The entire interface, including menus, button labels, and even some helpful tooltips, should now be displayed in Bangla. This dramatically improves your experience. Congratulations! You've successfully switched Cinc to Bangla. Enjoy exploring the platform in your native language. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.